What is up, YouTube? Today we're making banana bread. Look at that slice! Gonna need some overripe bananas. We're gonna be mixing up some ingredients. I'm gonna show you how to do a fold, and we're gonna be baking this in a loaf pan. The ingredient list is gonna be in the description below, and let's get going. First thing you wanna do is preheat your oven, 325. The next thing you wanna do is you wanna start greasing your banana loaf pan. I got a little bit of olive oil here. All I'm gonna do is rub this in. So I'm greasing this with olive oil. You can use any kind of oil really. It's greased up. You always want to add your dry ingredients together. So here we have the flour, salt, and baking soda, and cinnamon. You want to whisk that together and make sure everything is dispersed. Now we can set this aside and we can work on our wet ingredients. Okay. So this recipe is both dairy-free and refined sugar-free. We are using maple syrup instead of sugar, and we are using olive oil instead of butter. Olive oil and maple sugar, or maple syrup in. Maple sugar. We're gonna start emulsifying the maple syrup and the oil together. We'll go low speed at first, and then we can start to speed it up a little bit. See how it's becoming emulsified and it's becoming like a jelly? That's exactly what we want. For this, we're going to add our eggs. 2 eggs for this recipe. So we're going to give it a mix. And now we're going to add our bananas. For banana bread, you need overly ripe bananas because you want it really, really sweet. The sugars in the bananas actually help to leaven the bread, which is why they have to be overly ripe. If you don't have overripe bananas, it's not going to be very good. Just break these up because we're going to mash them up. Overripe bananas are always easy to peel, and these bruises here are totally fine. If you want chunky bananas, don't mix this that much. I'm going to give this a light little smashing. Smushing! A light little smashing. We're going to go on low. We're going to smash these bananas up a little bit. Pick up the speed. Bananas are the consistency that you want. We're going to add our vanilla extract. And we're also going to add our almond milk. You can use coconut milk if you like to. If you are not dairy free, then yes, you can use regular milk. So now we have our wet mixture. Looks good. Our dry ingredients, we have our wet ingredients. This is baking 101. Most recipes will ask you to do this. So now I've switched to a spatula and we're gonna add our flour in now. So I'm gonna go halvesies first, then I'm gonna start folding. Folding is when you draw a J. You draw a J. So if this is the bottom and this is the top, this is the J. I'm just gonna gently fold this, and we're gonna incorporate everything together. Try to like fold all the ingredients up and over. I'm gonna add the rest of our flour in now. And now we're gonna fold that in as well. So now we have mixed our batter, and as you can see, there's still plenty of chunkies of banana in here. I haven't overworked it, so the gluten network is still very tender. Batter into the pan. And now, all we have to do is bake it. Watch this. Hey Google, set a timer for 1 hour.
1 hour, starting now.
Ooh. Oh. Banana bread. Look at all the little chunkies of banana in there. Oh my god, I'm so excited. Take the bread out of the pan. The pan is still hot. So therefore, it's actually going to continue cooking from the residual heat from the pan. Residual. We're just going to gently run the sides down. I can already feel that this is going to be pretty nice when it comes out because we greased it pretty good. This is our resting rack. You need one of these so that way the bottom doesn't sweat. So I'm going to try and flip this over. Woo! Perfect. Smells amazing. Oh my god. Oh my god. So now that it's on the rack, you actually have to let this chill for 5 to 10 minutes before you cut into it. The reason is the baking soda has activated with the flour, and while it's in the oven, the heat is going to make it rise. So you just need to give it a second so it can set. And once it sets, you're good to go. Ooh, banana bread! Smells amazing! See the little chunkies of banana in there, and it's so dense and moist. Oh my god. Thanks so much for watching. Please try this recipe out. It's amazing. Remember, it's dairy-free and like refined sugar-free. So I'm gonna have the ingredient list in the description down below. Please, if you like my content, please subscribe and like this video and do all that fun stuff. And I will see you next time. Banana bread. Banana bread and life.